Hello friends! In this video, I will guide you through how to fix Roblox Error Code. The process to fix Roblox Error Code is to check the Roblox status and see if there are any issues with the Roblox site or servers. Go to your favorite browser and look for Roblox status. Check if everything is working and operational. If there are issues with the Roblox site or servers, you will have to wait until Roblox fixes the problem. To check if the issue is with your device, try using your mobile data while playing the game. If that doesn't work, go to your computer search bar, type in Control Panel, click on Control Panel, and go to Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings, double-click on the network you are using, click on Properties, locate Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and click on Properties. Copy my settings, obtain an IP address automatically, and use the following DNS server addresses, 8888 and 8844. Once that's done, hit on OK. Close everything, go to your search bar, type in CMD, click on Run as Administrator, and type in ipconfig/disencache and hit Enter. Now go and close that one and try to play Roblox again. Wait for Roblox to fix the live server, and that is it.